Today's class will focus on understanding motifs in art and design. A motif in art refers to a recurring element or theme that holds symbolic or decorative significance within a particular cultural or artistic context. These motifs can be found in various forms, including iconography, decorative patterns, and symbolic representations. Examples of motifs. 1. Master of animals is an ancient motif commonly depicted in art, symbolizing the relationship between humans and animals. 2. Confronted animals, often seen in ancient textiles, this motif portrays animals facing each other and may convey themes of conflict or balance. 3. Islamic motifs. In Islamic culture, motifs such as the sun, moon, animals like horses and lions, flowers, and landscapes are prevalent, each carrying symbolic meanings and aesthetic appeal. 4. Ilibalind. Found in kilim flat woven carpets, the Ilibalind motif symbolizes the female principle and fertility, reflecting the hopes and concerns of the weavers. Significance of motifs. Symbolism. Motifs convey symbolic meanings and cultural significance, providing insight into the beliefs, values, and narratives of a particular society or artistic tradition. Emotional effects. Motifs can evoke specific emotions or sentiments, influencing the viewer's perception and engagement with the artwork. Propaganda and communication. Motifs have been historically used for propaganda purposes, communicating ideological messages or societal norms through visual imagery. Analysis of motifs. In ornamental or decorative art, motifs are often analyzed as individual elements within a larger pattern. Examples include acanthus leaves, egg and dart motifs, and various types of scrollwork, each contributing to the overall composition and aesthetic harmony of the artwork. Conclusion. In conclusion, motifs play a vital role in art and design, serving as recurring symbols or decorative elements that enrich the visual language and cultural heritage of artistic traditions worldwide. By understanding motifs and their significance, we gain deeper insight into the complexities of human expression and creativity. Further exploration. To delve deeper into the world of motifs in art and design, consider researching specific cultural motifs or exploring how motifs have evolved across different artistic periods and movements. Additionally, examining the role of motifs in contemporary art and design practices can provide valuable insights into their continued relevance and adaptation in today's creative landscape. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.